In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friend in Caravanners. So basically, what you want to do, press play. I don't know what the hell is happening. Okay, press play. Press create world on this one where it says host. Put the world name. I'm gonna press that like door button. It's gonna create it. Okay. Damn. Lag so much. Alright, once you're in here, press escape. And as you can see, it says your Steam friends right here. You can just invite them. Press this invite button, and they're gonna get like an invitation. Then they press shift tab and accept the invitation. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Also, be aware of this right here, since Caravanners is still in early access. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.